Xiaomi just announced the Mi Air 2S headphone, which is a successor to their Mi Air 2 headphone that I had reviewed before. Link to that video up here. I'm really disappointed by this announcement, but I want to talk about it with you guys and I want to know what you think. Okay, sorry, I wanted to film this on my cell phone. I'm actually doing a video comparing the video on the Gcam and the stock or an updated version of the MIUI camera app. That video is going to come out in the next day or so, so hit subscribe to catch that. But we're here to talk about the Xiaomi Mi Air 2S truly wireless headphones. And well, guys, there doesn't seem to be a great deal to talk about with them. Now, Xiaomi has changed the case. They've added Qi wireless charging, which is a great touch, and they've given it a bigger battery. So you're going to get up to 24 hours on a single charge of the headphones and battery case, which is good. That's like, I think, double or roughly an extra 8 hours more than you had on the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 headphones. Also, apparently Xiaomi is using some kind of proprietary dual core chipset for this headphones that's going to reduce audio lag and improve the overall performance of them. They're going to support the LDHC for the low latency, high HD, LHDC. I'll have it up on the screen, but to support higher quality audio with lower latency. Now, it's worth noting that this is a China-specific launch. And while I really want to be disappointed that these headphones are going to be reliant on Xiao AI, for a China-specific launch, I completely understand. We're probably going to have the same exact situation as we had with the Mi Air 2, which is essentially you have to use the Xiao AI app to change any of the onboard controls. What that means is that if you're on a different ROM like Xiaomi EU, or you're on Mi Room, which I'm currently using right now, you're going to be forced to install the Xiao AI Smart Assistant functionality on your device if you want to change any of the controls of these headphones or remap them. And still, although these will support a natural voice recognition, so you can just say Xiao AI in Mandarin and it will recognize it, I doubt this is going to be having OK Google support or support for the Google Assistant because, again, this is a proprietary thing. Another feature that I was hoping to see on these headphones that's not going to come is active noise cancellation. And this is something for a pair of headphones that don't have any passive noise cancellation, being that these essentially fit in your ear the same way a pair of AirPods would. You're not going to get any isolation from the outside world. So using these on like a train or a busy city street is not going to be the most convenient thing. Now, I'm really disappointed by this announcement from Xiaomi because what I was hoping to see was for Xiaomi to come out with a pair of headphones in whatever form factor they were going to be that would utilize the Qualcomm 3020 chip, possibly even the Qualcomm 3040 chip, which I did a video about up here, and that would have given these headphones a ton of features just based on that chipset, and it would have totally kind of changed the game in regards to like budget headphones with Qualcomm chips. The same way Xiaomi changed the game with true wireless headphones when they launched the original Mi AirDots, which was the first big company making cheap headphones for like the average consumer. So that's kind of the wrap up for these headphones and my analysis on them. What do you guys think by the Mi Air 2? Are you excited by this? Personally, for me, I think I would rather have a pair of headphones that feature the aptX audio codec, maybe something like the Blitzwolf FYE8, which I have a preview of up here if I want that stem, because honestly, for me, if I have to download a Chinese app to remap controls for a headphone, and those touch remap controls only are good while I have that app on my phone, or I even have to go through with that, it just loses all convenience for me, especially when I have other offerings with better controls and arguably better features at a cheaper price. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Till next time, it's Mitchell. Stay safe, stay quarantined. I hope you guys are appreciating this quarantine content. Peace.